Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. In English, today we are going to start our new topic of writing skills, that is notice writing. What is a notice? It is a formal means of communication. Means a notice is a very short piece of writing which is usually formal in style. What is its purpose? इसका लिखने का क्या उद्देश्य है? किस कारण से लिखा जाता है? Where it is used? It is written to announce and display information to a specific group of people. Suppose आपके स्कूल में एनुअल फंक्शन है, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट होता है, वीकली आपके क्विजेज ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, कॉम्पिटिशन्स किए जाते हैं. टू गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द इवेंट्स एंड द कॉम्पिटिशन्स, उसके लिए टीचर्स और हेड बॉय आपके स्कूल के नोटिस लिखते हैं. अ नोटिस इज रिटन टू डिस्प्ले इंफॉर्मेशन टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. वेयर अ नोटिस is pinned. It is to be pinned up on a specific display board in schools, public places and newspapers. Generally we see notice on the school notice board and in the newspapers. There are some important contents which are needed to be written while writing a notice. What are those contents? Here are the contents of a notice. First one, name of the organization issuing the notice. Second, the title notice. Third content is catchy heading to introduce the subject. Catchy heading means the heading of the notice should be impressive. Fourth one, the date of the notice should be mentioned. Fifth, body of the notice. And at last, the important content is signature of the writer, name which is to be written in block letters, and designation. There are 5 important points, or we can say 5 W's while writing a notice. First one, what is going to happen? What is means we have to write the information about the event in the notice. Second one, when it will take place. We have to write the date and time of the event, when it will take place. Third, where it will take place. Where means we have to write the venue of the event. Fourth one, who can benefit from the information. Fifth, whom to contact. Generally in notice we write one line, for more information contact the undersigned. It means for more information whom we have to contact, that is also mentioned in the notice. Next we will study about the layout of notice. On the top of the notice, we have to write name of the issuing agency, which is to be written in capital letters. Second, after writing the name of the issuing agency, we have to write the name of the city, which is also to be written in capital letters. After writing the name of the city, we have to write notice word, which is to be written in capital letters in the middle of the notice. Fourth one, we have to write date on the left side of the notice. The date format should be like this. Firstly we have to write the date, then we have to write the name of the month, and then we have to write the year. There should be no comma or full stop in the format of the date. in the middle of the notice we have to write the heading or subject in capital letters. The heading of the notice should be impressive. This is the space for the content of the notice. The content should carry all important information like date, time and venue, and it should be brief. After writing the content, on the left corner of the notice we have to write signature of the issuer. Then we have to write name of the issuer. The name should be written in block letters. After the name, the designation of the issuer should be in brackets. We have to put the designation in bracket. After writing the complete notice, we have to put the notice in a box. Dear students, hope you have understood how we have to write a notice. Thanks and have a nice day.